Hello, this is a quick tutorial of how to use Fiji, that is image, to annotate the images. So, how you install it, you'll simply write Fiji and you'll get this Fiji downloads, and you can simply use uh, see which software you are using, like which system you are using, and you can simply use the Java development kit version of US version. So let's say if I'm using Mac OS, then I'll be downloading this. So it just simply starts downloading. Now once I have downloaded that, I need to just simply install it, and now I'll be having something like this. So in this folder, you have the app and you have some other files also. These two files, .igm files, are created by me. So let's say now you have the images in the form of patient 1, patient 2, patient 3. And now each folder, let's say this patient 1 is containing frame 1, frame 2, frame 3, frame 4. So how you're going to use it as, you'll simply open the Fiji. Now, so those two files are macros that are written by me. So you'll go into plugins, and within plugins, you will go into macros, then run. So for run, you are supposed to give the IJM file. So let's say if you want to create one mask, now you'll simply load that. So what this file does is it just automates the process of loading each and every image sequentially. Now you can simply load the folder. So let's say this patient one folder, which was containing all the images that belong to patient one. Now I just opened it. Now it is showing me we found 12 images. Please select the starting frame number to begin process. So let's say if you have already annotated, let's say 5 or 6 images. Now you start from 7th. You can simply put 7th. So this is the very first time we are starting. So I just started, and if you want to see the images, it will show you the images. So this is the very first frame, frame 1. So now it is showing me the processing will begin with this image. Click OK to continue or cancel to exit. So now you are confirmed that okay, these type of images you are going to annotate. Then just simply put OK. Now you can see the frame number. So this is the very first frame. So you had total 12 frames. This is the very first frame, frame 1, and you need to create the mask. So how you will do it? So let's say this is the straight line. Um, Now you can simply draw the straight line. And one more thing, if you want to increase the thickness of this, you can simply double click on this and you have this line width. So if you, let's say the line width is 5, then now the thickness will be increased. So you can simply draw the mask and put your cursor on the line that you drawn only. Now here you can simply go and click on create mask. So once it is created, now it is showing. Now please create a mask. Use image tool to create the mask and click OK when done. So you're done with the first mask creation, and you can simply press OK. So at every step, like after saving each mask, it will ask you, do you want to stop the processing or do you want to continue? So I don't want to stop. Now this it will automatically load the second frame. So you can see this is frame 2. Now let's see if uh, this is something that I want to mask. I can simply create mask. Now this is my second one. I just clicked on OK. So let's say now I am tired of masking. Now I can simply click stop processing after this image. Now it's done. So you now processing was stopped after frame 2. So you have created 2 frames masks, and where these masks go is in the same file that you loaded. So we loaded the patient file. It makes a new folder called masks, and just use the same name, like just use the mask underscore same name. So mask frame 1. We can simply see mask frame 1. Similarly, mask frame 2. So you just did the masking for 2 frames. Now let's see. Okay. So now let's say next day I want to again annotate the masks. further. So I already know that I had only marked two frames, frame 1 and frame 2. Now I'll go there, plugins, macros, run, and in that create one mask. Now the folder which contains all the images. So you already know that you had masked two images. Now you want to start from frame number 3. So it should start from frame 3. Now it is just showing you that okay, you are going to start from frame 3. Press OK. Now this is frame 3. You can simply double click on this and just increase the line width. Say 5. Now you can simply mask it and create mask. So now this mask is created and you can simply do it. If you don't want to stop, you can go ahead. Now it will load the fourth mask. You did the fourth mask, created mask. Now done. Now you want to stop here. You can simply stop processing after this image. It's done.